A Massachusetts construction company is paying the state of Rhode Island $11 million in an attempt to right the wrongs from a construction project from 5 years ago. Attorney General Peter Neronha says Barletta Heavy Division admitted to bringing contaminated fill into Rhode Island while working on the 610 connector redevelopment project and then lied about it. Hannah Cotter is live in Providence. And Hannah, that company also settled with the feds in a separate suit, right?
Well, Mike Shannon, Barletta paid the federal government $1 million, but Rhode Island Attorney General Peter Neronha asked for 10 times that and then some. A portion of this settlement is also going to children who live in the affected area.
Why?
Attorney General Peter Neronha says Canton-based Barletta Heavy Division admitted to dumping thousands of tons of contaminated soil while working on the 610 connector project in 2020.
And then when they were confronted by DOT and DEM, they lied.
The Department of Environmental Management says the waste wasn't hazardous, but it wasn't exactly clean either.
There were dust issues that were created in the neighborhood.
During a news conference Wednesday, the AG said Barletta agreed to an $11 million settlement. $1 million will be split between the AG's office and the DEM. The remaining $10 million will go to the Rhode Island Foundation to fund dental care services for children who are living in those affected neighborhoods.
It is not optional for children to get basic dental care. We should all be ashamed of ourselves after today, after you wrote your story, Johnny, if one more child, for lack of dental care, loses a tooth.
Greg Stepka does dental screenings in Providence schools. He says the number of students in need of dental work is astounding.
Last year, 520 kids needed to have urgent care. About 25% of the kids I screened needed to be seen by a dentist for any kind of restorative care. This year was 445 kids needed urgent dental care. So the number is astounding, and this money is going to go a long way to helping these kids out in the city of Providence.
Neronha says the state already has the settlement money in hand and hopes to start spending it as soon as possible. And in a statement, a spokesperson for Barletta said in part, quote, with today's settlement agreement and the dismissal with prejudice of all criminal and civil charges in this case, Barletta is pleased to put this matter behind us and looks forward to continuing our long history of successfully and responsibly delivering world-class public infrastructure projects. Reporting live in Providence, I'm Hannah Cotter, 12 News.